Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for being here. Happy Thanksgiving. Shout out all my indigenous people as well. Can't talk about Thanksgiving without shouting them out. I have a quick Amazon hack here. A lot of you might already know about this. It's how to get 50% off your monthly Prime bill. And I'm in no way promoting Amazon or telling people to go run out and get a Amazon Prime account, but if you already have it and you're on any type of government assistance, you can pretty much qualify for this and very easily and quickly get 50% off your Amazon Prime bill. I did it. It worked. I'm just going to go through the steps on how to do it. I'm going to read 2 quick paragraphs and show you like where I learned about this from. It's not necessarily a new thing, but there's a couple little interesting things that I read in this article that I just wanted to share. So first things first, this is a newsletter I get from Robinhood, and so I scrolled down, and up here where my pointer is, it says Prime Relief. This month Amazon launched an access hub for customers to explore affordable options. Think discounts, coupons, and EBT SNAP payments, aka digital food stamps. Shoppers who receive government assistance can get discounted Prime memberships, pay overtime, and shop without cards. And then I'm going to go down here one more paragraph, the takeaway. It isn't just corporate altruism. Companies like Amazon want to keep customers spending even during hard times. Industry titans can actually boost their market share during recessions by keeping prices low. They can afford to. That's what McDonald's did in 2008. Amazon may be next. Research suggests Americans are more likely to cut food spending than cancel their Prime subscriptions. So that last sentence caught my eye. So basically they're saying like most people aren't going to cut their Prime memberships. They'll cut food before they cut their Prime memberships. So if you have government assistance, you might as well get half off your bill. So that's kind of what I'm trying to show you guys today. So First, what you do is you go to Amazon.com/Prime Access. Now, if you use your food stamps to buy food on Amazon already, and that means your information is already uploaded, and it'll be much quicker for you. If you don't, you just have to upload a few of your documents, and they'll tell you which ones to upload. So so where my pointer is, I'll put an arrow on the screen. You go to Amazon.com/Prime Access, and then once you go there, if you receive, first let's go over a few of the programs. So you don't just need to be on EBT. You can be on SSI, Medicaid, SNAP, TANF, WIC, tribal assistance. So pretty much all those programs qualify. It's not just EBT. So once you go to that link that I just showed you, you'll basically have to just select the qualifying government assistance program that you want to choose to be eligible, the one that you're on. How to qualify, enter a payment method, and then 3, you can now unlock everything Prime has to offer. And once you qualify, or if your EBT or whatever is already uploaded to your account, it'll cut your bill in half immediately. So you'll see basically you'll pay $6.99 a month instead of $14 or whatever. So yeah, I know times are kind of hard right now for some people, and it's just a quick little Amazon hack I wanted to share with you guys. Appreciate you watching. Let me know if it worked for you, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Hit that like and subscribe too. Thank you. Bye.